Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log out of Binance. So without any ado, let's start with the process of logging out from the Binance application. But before that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to log out from the Binance application, it is very easy and super fast. You just need to log in into your Binance application. After logging in into your Binance application, head over to the yellow icon at the top left. You can find that yellow icon with a box with the Binance logo in it. Just click on it, just tap on it, and you'll be taken to this page. So when you reach here, you're gonna tap on your account here. Just tap on your account name here. And when you tap on your account name, you will be finding your account information here, including the option called logout here and switch account. Since we're logging out of the account, you're just going to tap on this logout option. After that, confirm it, and that's how you basically log out yourself. So that's how you basically log out. And if you change your Binance, if you want to log in, just get on the Binance application and log in and sign up. And that's how you basically log out of the Binance application very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.